Welcome to my channel and welcome to our 7th video series of helping and educating first-time sellers. In this video, I will talk about the 3 important points that if everything went well, why is your home not selling after it's launched into the market? So let's dive into it. The number one reason why a home will not sell, despite the fact that you have a great agent, you had a great home, the number one thing is the price. The price is the important factor to ensure that it is aligned with the rest of the listing and the market. You may want to ask your agent to say, from all the feedback and individuals that have came through, is your price aligned with the rest of the market? So number one is price. Second thing is the promotion. Is the home marketed enough to land on the eyeballs of the prospective target market? We have done specific videos about marketing and how the home should match with the right demographic. So is the promotion of your home is looking at its best? And last thing, could be a minor but important, is the home's interior presentation catching the emotions of the prospective buyers? We did a specific video on how to prepare your home. Head over there, you can watch that. So to summarize it, the first thing at issue is price, promotion, and presentation. Now, the second element is the feedback. This is a very important element. So your home will be on a market for at least, let's say, a month or 2 months. Gathering feedback through your agent is very critical because those individuals that comes through private showings, those individuals that comes through open houses, always have a gold mine of data, and that is their feedback or their agent. So your agent should be prompt to deliver you weekly or monthly feedback about how those prospective buyer feels about your home's price, about your home's presentation. To wrap this up, one of the key important is you and your agent have to align and pivot with the ongoing facts. Now, you and your real estate agent agree on a listing price, everything is looking good, but nothing is guaranteed until the home matches with the right buyer and they remove the subject. So if the home is listed, you don't have offers coming through, it means you have to be adaptive with the changing market. And what that means, evaluating the competition. Your agent should be on top of all the competitive listings and their agents to see that those people that came through your home, why did they not put an offer on yours, but they decided to put an offer on someone else? So competitive landscape is micro, and your agent should be on top of that. Is the macroeconomic in the market is changing or interest rate rising? Are there any uncertainties in the market where buyers are hesitant to make a decision? So this is what it is important, is to be able to have alignment with the facts. So in this video, this is the summary point of 3 elements of important points. If your home is not selling, the element number 1 is price, promotion, placement. 2, feedbacks of the prospective individuals that have come through your home. And lastly, ensuring you're aligned with the market reality through competitive data and feedback gathering. Hopefully this video was informative for yourself. And if you want to discuss your real estate plans, I'm just a virtual call away. Until our next videos, have a fantastic day.